Welcome or welcome back to WatchAdvisor on YouTube, where the watches are the stars normally, but today with me, because I'm at Watches and Wonders at the booth of Hermes, La Montre Hermes, is Guillaume de Seynes, Executive Vice President of Hermes. Guillaume, it's good to have you.
Good to see you also, Alexander.
Don't forget to subscribe and to hit the bell to get our latest notifications.
Just been able to discover your incredible new watches. I'm really, I have to say, wow.
Thank
you. You again hit the nail. You again did everything right. You are step by step evolving a very iconic watch, meanwhile, the H08, I have to say. And can you just give us a little bit of an information about where is watchmaking actually standing at Hermes? You are the boss of watchmaking in the company. So where is watchmaking? Where are your intentions to go in the future?
Sure, with pleasure. Hermes as a group, as a brand, had a fantastic year in 2022. But among the success of Hermes, watches was the fastest growing category.
Wow.
I must say we had a 46% growth compared with the average growth of 29% of the group. So it's, of course, a very strong result. And I think that we see there the result of a long-term strategy that we've put in place nearly 20 years ago about becoming more and more perceived as a true watchmaker, true Swiss watchmaker, and I would say combining the best of Swiss expertise, the best of the quality with the creativity of a French house, of a French brand. So it's really very interesting to see those results, and I'm very confident for the future.
That's really an impressive figure, 46% growth. Wow. In French we say chapeau, English heads off. Wow, that's it. And I think it pays off because your investments you have been doing in watchmaking in the early days, some people said, okay, they are printing a logo, they want to amplify the logo on the wrist, but that's not Hermes.
No, Hermes is about combining the best of craftsmanship with a lot of creativity. And it's true that when we started in this watch business, we were like 40 or 50 years ago, we were mostly into quartz watches. And I thought that was not right for Hermes, that was not enough for Hermes, because the best of craftsmanship is, of course, in the movements, in the complication, and in all this beautiful know-how that exists in Switzerland. So now we had the suspended time complication, we had a Grand Prix de l'Horlogerie de Genève, we had Le Temps Voyageur last year, 2 Grand Prix de l'Horlogerie de Genève, and I think we are step by step building a strong reputation in watchmaking.
And what I hear when I talk to others who have already realized what you're doing, because some don't have yet, they're still thinking that you are a fashion brand. Mm-hmm. So, but those who have realized, they all say that's incredible what you're doing, because you're always surprising. You're always bringing something extra, something when I come or others come didn't expect. Same this year, evolving H08 with a new case material, with a new design, and it's still a very, very, very cool watch. It's even got cooler in my humble opinion. So
it's true that we believe that H08 has the potential to become a strong pillar of the collection, a sporty watch, but which is also very easy to wear every day. And it's light, it's very fitting very well the wrist. We have added this year stronger colors, blue, a green, a yellow, and an orange that I'm wearing. So it's really, I think, an interesting watch, and we want to continue capitalize. The success is there. We need to produce more, but that's a good challenge we have.
If this is the only problem, then you are on the safe side. And we were able quickly to have brief look on a watch that will only come in 2024. That's a chronograph.
Yeah.
That will be the next step.
Exactly.
But I don't think that this is the final step in H08.
No, I think we want to continue to build it as a true collection. Once again, the reaction of the markets are very good. We sell well everywhere, and we could produce more. So we are thinking of a strong investments to increase that production.
In terms of your strategy, in the beginning, I know you were keen, Hermes was keen to be also represented at authorized dealers that are not Hermes to get more credibility in watchmaking. But today you don't need that anymore. Are you still working with authorized dealers, or do you more and more concentrate the business in your boutiques?
Well, I must say we focus more and more on our own boutiques, because at the same time, the strategy of Hermes has been to increase the average size of our stores. And it's true that when we open, we move in a city and go to a larger size boutique, we have the opportunity to really have a nice space for watch and jewelry, a nice space for home products. Every category of Hermes needs more space, and that's the strategy we have. So it's true that the potential, we believe, in our own store is still great and has the place to grow. We still have some external distribution, but extremely selective and more reduced than before.
Yeah, I personally also very much believe that someone who buys an Hermes watch or buys an Hermes product needs to dive into your world. Once you're in there, and I know it from my personal experience others have, you really get lost in there. Everything is so beautiful.
Thank you.
But it's true. It's true.
Thank you.
Just one last question.
Yes.
Can you I don't know if you're able to say, but can you say how big the percentage, or how big is watchmaking at the Hermes meanwhile?
It's like 5%.
Okay.
So we have, well, all the activities at Hermes are growing. So at the end, the total must be 100%, not more. So, but we still have room to grow inside Hermes.
So 5% of the turnover is now watchmaking?
Yeah, absolutely.
But you increased 46%, so you are quite on the...
We are, I would say, head of the group, but in terms of growth. But a lot of other activities are growing fast as well.
So we can say you are driving on the Deutsche Autobahn without speed limit, and you're going full speed.
Exactly. Let's say that.
Very good. Guillaume, thank you very much.
It was a pleasure.
Pleasure. Congratulations. And yeah, your watches, I really have to say they are so perfectly, with those little details you have been again putting there on the H08. And you guys, please, first of all, discover making of the watches. We have been showing Hermes, how Hermes does its cases, its dials. We showed how the bracelets are done, the straps are done, and we also showed the movement production. It's incredible. You have everything in-house. Discover everything, discover it when you are watching this video. And please also look back on the video we had online for a couple of years now, where we presented the H08 line, so you will discover from the beginning how this line evolved and developed. Guillaume de Seynes, thank you very much for coming.
Welcome.
Bye-bye from Watches and Wonders, and hope to see you soon again.
Sure.
Thank you.